trees know something about letting go that we humans tend to forget. The beautiful leaves that gave them life and grace during summer will become unwanted weight during the winter and will make the trees break. The trees know that. So they release the leaves, and they do that without worrying about it, without apologizing about making a mess. They release a version of themselves that isn't working anymore. And they're not giving up. They are making space for a new time. Close your eyes and imagine holding in your hand one of the things that lately you will not let go of, but might agree with you to be letting it go. Close your eyes and imagine that you're a tree and it's a leaf and you're letting it go. And feel the freedom in that option. Even if it feels impossible or irresponsible right now, is it possible to give room for the possibility and then setting it aside? No force, no willpower, just giving room for a possibility. Nature is always teaching us. Are you listening? Stick around and subscribe if you want to learn more.